Welcome to Neural Capital, investing in the future of innovation. Today, we're spotlighting Elbit Systems, a global leader in defense technology that's bringing AI directly to the battlefield. From drones to ground robots, Elbit is building real-world autonomous systems, not in a lab, but in live combat zones. Let's dive in. Elbit Systems, ticker ESLT, is an Israeli-based defense contractor with a $9.3 billion market cap and global reach. Its business spans everything from cockpit displays and cyber intelligence to robotic mules and loitering drones. But what really sets Elbit apart is how it fuses AI with combat-proven robotics, blending sensors, autonomy, and machine learning into battlefield-ready systems. In a world racing toward defense automation, Elbit is already there. The company reported $5.7 billion in revenue last year, with strong momentum across NATO contracts. Its earnings per share came in at $6.21, and the stock has gained over 22% year over year. It also invests heavily in R&D, dedicating nearly 8% of revenue to developing next-gen systems, including AI and autonomy. Elbit's AI shows up where it matters most: on drones navigating GPS-denied terrain, on robotic ground vehicles delivering supplies or identifying threats, and inside fire control systems that assist human decision-makers under combat pressure. This isn't hypothetical, it's real-time AI for real-world missions. Elbit focuses on hybrid autonomy, where AI acts fast but humans stay in control. That's a key distinction in military deployments. Elbit competes with both legacy contractors and high-tech startups. Endural is tech-first but lacks Elbit's scale. AeroVironment leads in tactical drones, but not in full-stack autonomy. Teledyne builds robots, but without deep AI integration. Elbit's edge? It doesn't just build hardware. It infuses AI into every level of battlefield intelligence: land, air, and cyber. 1. Elbit Systems is already deploying AI-driven military robotics worldwide. 2. Its customer base includes US and NATO allies, delivering revenue stability. 3. It has a strong moat with proprietary platforms and embedded contracts. And 4. It's shaping how autonomous systems will operate and be regulated in 21st century warfare. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more company spotlights from Neural Capital, and keep exploring the intersection of innovation and investment. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice.